Okay, good morning, second PUC students. Today, all 5 marks questions in integration, all 5 marks question compulsory 100% compulsory questions. It comes 99% in examination. So 5 marks questions. So already already I was told in integration of some particular functions. Integration of some particular functions means, what is integration of some particular functions? Integration of some particular functions. What is the 6 formulas? What are they? Integral 1 by root of 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by a square minus x square, 1 by root of a square minus x square, 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by root of x square minus a square, 1 by root of x square plus a square. These are 6 particular functions are there. These particular functions and derivation and the same type of problem derivation and the same type of problem is very important in 5 marks question. Already in the previous 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, in the previous years, how did given the type of problems? How did we given the type of problems? First, find integral 1 by x square minus a square dx and hence evaluate integral 1 by 3x square plus 13x minus 10 dx. Same problem. Formula derivation and this problem is also same formula. Apply the same formula. We have to apply. This type question, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೋ, ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೇಮ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೋ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮೇ, ಸಂಬಂಧಿತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೋ. ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ in 2014 March supplementary 1 by sometimes integral 1 by x square minus a square dx. Okay, we have to ask and sometimes only find the integral of, there is no symbol of integration, find the integral of 1 by root of x square plus y square with respect x means dx and evaluate formula problem also same as this formula derivation, same formula. Okay, ಯಾವ ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೋ ಅದೇ ಸಂಬಂಧಿತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೋ, ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. and 15 find the integral 1 by root of x square minus a square and evaluate 1 by root of x square plus 6x minus 7. and ಈ 4th one, 6th one, 4th, 6th, 8th, ಈ 3 are next after 2 exercises. After 2 exercises will come the same type. This is also same type. This is the quadratic equation. We go root of 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c. This is same type. Conversion also same procedure, but formula difference. Only formula is differences same. The procedure also same procedure. This procedure 1 by root x square plus 6 plus 6 7. This is the same procedure is same, but formula different only. But next I will learn. Okay, so this is one. Tomorrow exam only up to integration, today up to today exam. Okay, this is up to this exercise 7.4 up to 7.4 integration 20 marks exam. Morning maybe or 10 to 11 or any time exam. Okay, and 5 marks questions e type, this type of asking this type of questions. Okay, So theorems fix are 6 theorems, 1 to 6 theorems, are 6 theorems repeated you have to ask, but problems are different, model same model but different types of problems is different. So we have to perfect if you are perfect the problems procedure, okay, procedure, then you get a good result. Okay, already I did send the snap, also send your WhatsApp group. I did send, already send. Okay, next in exercise 7.4 some other models of problems are, today we are going to other models of problems. Next one, next model, for example exercise 7.4 25th problem, integral dx by root of 9x minus 4x square, 9x minus 4x square. This is the another model. Already quadratic equation means, what is the quadratic equation form? Ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic equation equal to 0. So ax square plus bx is also quadratic equation. In the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A not equal to, this is the quadratic equation, a not equal to 0, a not equal to 0. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a not equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. A is equal to 0 means what? A is equal to 0 means 0 into x square 0, so bx plus c, this is linear equation, degree 1. Quadratic equation has degree 2. Quadratic equation has degree 2. So this a not equal to 0. So this is same procedure, 9x minus 4x square minus 4x square plus 9x minus 4 common, x square minus 9 by 4 into x. You have any doubt, again multiply equal to the before step, minus 4 into x square minus 4 minus into minus plus 9x. So minus 4 into, this is x square a square, x coefficient negative, x coefficient negative means which type of formula? A minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab minus 2, a means x, b is equal to 9 by 8, because this is simplify this value equal to the above or 9 minus 9 by 4x. So this one, and after simplify, these two are equal, compulsory equal. So there is no, without changing the value of minus 9 by 4 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವುದು ಕೂಡ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬಾರದು, ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೀವು 2ab ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡು. ಓಕೆ, 2ab ಆಗಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡು. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೂಡ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬಾರದು, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸು, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, so 2x plus x a square minus 2ab. Next, what is the b square? 9 by 8 whole square minus 9 by 8 whole square. So that is equal to minus 4 into a minus b whole square, x minus 9 by 8, x minus 9 by 8 whole square minus 9 by 8 whole square. So multiply minus 4 into 9 by 8 whole square minus multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I have to multiply the minus because the root of negative values does not exist. Root of negative exist only in complex numbers. I square is equal to minus 1, I is equal to root of minus 1. So minus x minus 9 by 8 whole square. So that is equal to integral dx by root of 4 into 9 by 8 whole square minus x minus 9 by 8 whole square. So root of 4 is equal to 2, 1 by 2 separate from the integral by dx by root of 9 by 8 whole square minus x minus 9 by 8 whole square. So again put x minus 9 by 8 is equal to t, dx is equal to dt. So 1 by 2 into integral dt by root of 9 by 8 whole square minus t square. So integral 1 by root of a square minus x square, integral 1 by 2 into a square minus x square is equal to integral 1 by root of a square minus x square is equal to sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x means t by 9 by 8 plus c. So 1 by 2 into sin inverse of t is equal to x minus 9 by 8 by 9 by 8 plus c, that is equal to 1 by 2 into sin inverse of LCM 8x minus 9 by 9 by 8. Here this is the LCM 8, numerator 8, denominator 8, both are cancelled, and 8x minus 9 by 9 plus c. This is the without constant type of problems. Without constant. Okay. Next. Okay. Listen. See. Okay, next. Next, another model already discussed, studied or discussed this type of problems. px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c dx or integral px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c dx or integral px plus q into root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. This type of problems, first numerator is equal to, how to solve, this is the first one, method is there. px plus q is equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. This is the method. And next one, first step 1, this is the next step 1, find the a and b values. Find a and b values and you get solve. Okay, how to solve? This is the problem. After solvation, after procedure, the how to solve, you know. Okay, 4x plus 1 by problem number 16. Problem number 16, integral 4x plus 1 by root of 2x square plus x minus 1 dx. So 2x square plus x minus not minus 1, this is minus 3. This is without using the procedure, direct procedure. You know some formulas, 3 formulas. What is that? Integral f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to log mod f of x plus c. Integral f dash of x by root f of x dx is equal to 2 root f of x plus c. Integral f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx is equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. These 3 formulas. First problem, first step 1, this is apply the formula, this formula. This is which type of formula? This is numerator by root of denominator. So the second problem, first apply the formula, otherwise this is no use of that formula, otherwise go to the procedure. Otherwise we have to go to the procedure. First apply this formula. Apply the formula is useful. Okay, does not useful, otherwise go to the procedure. So what is the next procedure? First this is first of all f of x, root f of x. This is f of x. So put 2x square plus x minus 3 is equal to t. Derivative 2x square derivative 4x plus 1. 4x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. So integral 4x plus 1 dx is equal to dt by root t. Root t or direct formula 2 root f of x. What is f of x? This is f of x. F dash of x by root f of x. 2x square plus x minus 3 is equal to f of x, root f of x by derivative of that function. Derivative of that function is equal to 4x plus 1. What is the answer? Direct answer 2 root f of x plus c. So 2 root, what is the f of x? 2x square. The answer is 2 root 2x square plus x minus 3 is the answer. Okay, direct. You don't know direct how to apply the formula. So this procedure. Root is equal to t power minus 1 by 2 dt. T power 1 by 2 power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. Integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So 2 into root to t. 2 into root to t plus c is equal to 2 into what is t? T is equal to 2x square. 2x square plus x minus 3 plus c. Some easy problems without using the procedure, without doing this procedure, you directly to calculate, to find directly. Okay. So next one, x plus 2 by root of x square minus 1. Okay, see. Next, another model. Next, 17th problem, integral x plus 2 by root of x square minus 1 dx. X square minus 1 dx, x plus 2 by root of x square minus, this is also px plus q by root of, this is also quadratic equation. X square minus 1 degree 2, so x square minus is a quadratic equation. Same procedure, without procedure, how to solve? See here, integral x by root of x square minus 1 dx plus integral 2 by root of x square minus 1 dx. So 1 by 2, divide and multiply 2, so 2x by root of x square minus 1 dx plus 2 separate integral 1 by root of x square minus 1 dx. This is direct formula, f dash of x by root f of x is equal to 2 root f of x plus 2 into integral 1 by root of x square minus 1, integral 1 by root of x square minus 1. This is the integration of some particular function. 6 formulas are there, that 6 formulas, so this apply that type of formula. So what is the x square minus 1? X square minus 1 means 1 square. 1 by root of x square minus a square. A is not fixed, x is fixed, but a is not fixed. A instead of 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, or any one is, okay, that type of problems. X square minus 1 is equal to log mod x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c. So 2 cancel, root of x square minus 1 plus 2 into log mod x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c. This is how. This step is doubt. This is the doubt. You 2 divide and multiply, okay, but this is how to come, how get the result. Means formula. Any doubt? First, let x square minus 1 is equal to t. Derivative of x square 2x. 2x dt dx is equal dt. So 2x dx is equal dt. So x square minus t root t. So integral 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into dt by root t. Root t integration t power root t by 1 by 2 root 2. Type. Okay, direct apply the problem. This is the one of the type. This another one, homework. Integral x minus 1 by root of x square minus 1 dx. This is the homework problem. Integral x minus 1 by x square minus 1. X minus 1 by root of x square minus 1. Same type, same method. You have to homework. Next, another homework, integral dx by root of 2x minus x square. This is the type of, in the class, first problem model. Today class, first problem. This is third problem model. The 2 problems are homework, and remaining in the exercise 7.4, remaining all problems, okay, you can try or you have to do, not can try. Compulsory question. Okay, next. Next problem, last problem. 5x minus 2 by 1 plus 2x integral. This is the problem number 18. 5x minus 2 by problem number 18 integral 5x minus 2 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం నెంబరు 16 17 దిస్ ఈజ్ సేమ్ మెథడ్ ప్రొసీజర్ బట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ షార్ట్ కట్ వన్. ఈ 16 17 ప్రాబ్లంకి ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಈ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ అనేది ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ అనేది ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. f of x is equal to t, this root value t. This type of shortcut method, there is no shortcut method. Direct apply the procedure. What is the procedure? Px plus q is equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Compulsory, because what is the derivative of denominator? 3x square plus 2x plus 1. 3x square derivative 6x plus 2. 6x plus 2, there is no numerator. So 6x plus 2, here this is 5x minus 2. So derivative of denominator is 6x plus 2. Don't match. Okay. So compulsory must be, we have to apply the procedure compulsory. What is the procedure? Px plus q is equal to, and numerator is equal to a into d by dx of denominator 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus b. So 5x minus 2 is equal to 5x minus 2 is equal to 18th problem, integral 5x minus 2 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. Okay na? Next. So what is the procedure solution? 5x minus 2 is equal to a into d by dx of 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus b. So 5x minus 2 is equal to derivative of 1 0, 2 plus 6x, 2 plus 6x plus b. What is the next? First step, formula method. Next step, find the values of a and b. A and b value. How to find a and b? 5x minus 2 is equal to 2a multiply 2a into 6a plus b. So 5x minus 2 is equal to 2a plus b. Constants are separate, x coefficients separate another side. So comparing x and constants, x coefficient, comparing x coefficients, coefficient and constants both sides. So 2a plus b is equal to constant. What is the constant? What is the x? Here x coefficient is equal to 5. Here x coefficient is equal to 6a. So a is equal to 6 by not 5 by 6. So what is the constants? Minus 2 is equal to 2a plus b. Constant term. This is constant term. This is the x term. So what is a? Minus 2 is equal to 2 into 5 by 6 plus b. 2 1s 2 3s. B is equal to minus 2 minus 5 by 3. That is equal to minus 11 by 3. A value, b value is there. This is the equation number 1. Equation number 2. From 1. From what is from 1? 5x minus 2 is equal to a into, what is a? 5 by 6 into d by dx of 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus b is equal to b minus 1 by 3 minus 11 by 3. So from 2. integral 5x minus 2 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx is equal to integral 5 by 6. ఈ 5x minus 2 value, this value substitute in the integral 5 by 6 into d by dx of 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 3 by totally 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. Next we have to separate. So 5 by 6 constant to integral d by dx of 1 plus 2x plus 3x square by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx and minus 11 by 3 constant integral 1 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. So this is the direct formula. What is the formula? Integral f dash of x by f of x. F dash of is nothing but derivative d by dx. D by dx is nothing but f dash dash. So this is direct formula. This is converted into this before method, some particular functions method. So minus 11 by 3. So that is equal to 5 by 6, that is equal to 5 by 6 into f dash f of x is equal to log mod 5 by 6 into log mod 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 3 into integral. 11 by 3 into integral, this is converted into this type. So what is the first one? 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. One plus 2x plus 3x square. First x square term, x term, constant term, common 3, x square plus 2 by 3 into x plus 1 by 3. So 3 into a plus b whole square, because x term is positive. A plus b whole square, a square 2 a b, 2 into x into 1 by 3, 2 by 3 into x, plus what is b? 1 by 3 whole square. Again 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 plus 3. So 3 into, this is the first 3, x plus 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 3, 1 by 9, minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3. So LCM 9, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, minus 3 plus 1, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, minus 2 by 9. So 3 into x plus 1 by 3 whole square minus root 2 by 3 whole square. So that is equal to 5 by 6 into log mod 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 3 into integral 1 by 3 into x plus 1 by 3 whole square minus root 3 by whole square dx. So again put x plus 1 by 3 is equal to t, dx is equal to dt. So that is equal to 5 by 6 into log mod 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 9, 3 into 3, 11 by 9 integral 1 by t square minus root 3 by whole square dt. So that is equal to 5 by 6 into log mod 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 9 into what is the formula? Integral 1 by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a 1 by 2a into log mod x square minus a square is equal to x minus a by x plus a, x minus a by x plus a. So that is equal to 5 by 6 into log mod 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 3 ones 3 threes 11 by 6 root 2, 11 by 1 by 2a x square minus a square equal to x minus a by x plus a. The 2 root 2 through 3 so 11 by 6 root 2 into log mod what is t? T is equal to x plus 1 by 3 minus root 2 by 3 x plus 1 by 3 plus root 2 by 3 plus c, the answer. You can simplify 1 root 3 root LCM, this is not correct, this is the final answer. So X7.4 exercise maximum all models are completed, the remaining problems, some same models of problems, some we have to do the remaining problems. Okay, thank you. Plus plus 2 by 9 plus this is plus already 11 by 9 plus means tan inverse of x by a root 2 by 3 integral 1 by x square plus a square 1 by a is equal to 11 by 9 into 1 by a is equal to root 2 by 3 3 ones 3 threes so minus 11 by 3 root 2 into tan inverse of what is t? T is equal to x plus 1 by 3 by root 2 by 3. So finally 5 by 6 into log mod 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 3 root 2 into tan inverse of LCM 3x plus 1 by root 2. This is correct. Okay.